My name is Drew. Whether it be in the beating of your heart or the moving of your hands, every action requires energy. I will be representing the mitochondria. The mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell and are made of four main parts: the crostea, inner membrane, outer membrane, and the ATP synthase complex. The first part of the mitochondria that we will be discussing is the outer membrane. The outer membrane is smooth and is selectively permeable to things such as ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, ions, and nutrient molecules. The second part of the mitochondria that we will be discussing is the inner membrane. The inner membrane, unlike the outer membrane, is ridged and will usually hold ribosomes. Also, it is only selectively permeable to things such as oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide. Also, the inner membrane is home to the ATP synthase complex. The third part is the crostea. The crostea is actually just another term for the infoldings, which are folds in the inner membrane. These increase the area for the ATP synthase complex and the proteins that aid in creating ATP. The last part we will be discussing is the ATP synthase complex. The ATP synthase complex is where all the ATP is produced and is found embedded in the inner membrane. The functions of the mitochondria. The main function of the mitochondria is to produce energy, though its function may vary through organs in the body. After you eat, everything you eat is broken down into simpler molecules, like sugars, carbohydrates, fats, etc. After these are broken down, they are sent to the mitochondria for further processing, where they are turned into charged molecules and combined with water to produce ATP. Like I said before, the function of the mitochondria may vary in the present organ that they are in. In the liver, they act as a detox. Also, they have other jobs, such as regulating cell death. This keeps cells from overpopulating. So let's review. We have the four parts of the mitochondria: crostea, inner membrane, outer membrane, and the ATP synthase complex. Also, like I said, the main function of the mitochondria is to produce energy. You can't live without energy, right?
1. Fire.
Why mitochondria is best?
Why?
Who here likes sports?
I do.
I know I do.
Me too.
So, if you like your sport so much, you'd better vote for mitochondria.
Yeah?
Because guess what? If you didn't have mitochondria, you wouldn't be able to do that sport. So you may as well just take your little sport, draw a big red X through it.
No!
Because you won't be able to play that sport anymore. So vote mitochondria. Vote today.
Okay.
Fun facts. The mitochondria is the only molecule in the body that has its own DNA. You want to know another cool thing? The more active the structure, the higher the concentration of mitochondria there will be. And one of the coolest things is it's the only molecule that can produce its own energy. Where they can be processed further and combined with water to produce ATP.
Talk about the crazy mitochondria.